So we are looking at a pair of headphones, earbuds, but not really either of them. It's kind of, I'm not even really sure how to explain what these are. These are the Mifo Sportset open ear sports headphones. Um, you can see kind of the specs here, Bluetooth 5.3, but they're like headphones that don't go in your ears, but they're not bone conductive. They're air conduction. I'm not really sure what that is. And then the front part of it is like a headband. So if you were working and sweating, then you'd use this. Helps keep the sweat out of your eyes, and nothing goes in your ears, which I actually really like because I like for seeing options like that for people that have issues with things going in their ears. Right, this puts it out. I guess kind of in this area, which seems like it should be like bone conductive, but it's not. So we're going to take a look at what they say. We're going to crack open the box, and then we're gonna try them out. All right, Mifo Sportset. Now, $136. You do choose a size, and they talk about here. So measure your head because it's not one size fits all. Sweatproof, waterproof, cool, IPX7. It also has a headbands for sweat, which is nice, air conduction, and good sound quality. Compared with traditional Bluetooth headphones, the advantage is that it will not be troubling by falling. At the same time, the 16mm dynamic coil provides high quality sound. Bluetooth 5.3, so you should have good connectivity. I'm just getting all kinds of emails and stuff coming in here. 3 different sizes. There you go. If you're a headband wearer, someone that likes rocking out the headband, or you're sweaty, this could be cool. And then here's your like volume buttons and what your buttons do, etc., etc. All right, and it does look like it does look like it includes 3 different lengths of bands, which is funny that they say that there's 3 different sizes when it comes with 3 different bands. I'm not 100% sure. All right. Anyways, I gotta get my phone ready. My phone ready for some Bluetooth action. Bluetooth action, because that's important. All right, that's good. This here's the box. Sports wearable audio device. That's kind of it. Dual mic system, so it does have a mic. So we'll also test that out. IP67. Yep, 3 times. It does say, which is kind of neat in here. They did say in regards to charging. I think I saw this at the top. Like it was 5 minutes will give you 2 hours of playtime. That's actually really good. Now, the one thing I don't like, of course, is that it has a proprietary charging system, which is fine. But if you're out and about and your earbuds or your headphones are dying, if you're somewhere, there's a good chance if you're with friends or whatever, you can probably stumble upon like a USB-C connector that you can get a cable, but you're not gonna find this. So that's to me, like I'm not a big fan when the companies use their own like proprietary things, strictly for that reason, right? It just, especially with headphones, I know it only takes 5 minutes, but if I gotta drive all the way home to charge them, that's sad. Okay, so here we go. Nice green box, right? Well, it's a nice setup. It would have been nicer if it stayed in that little foamy thing, but still nice. There's all your different sizes. This is a fairly hefty little container. So you're going to have good... Wow, that's a nice manual. I always complain about manuals. No, no, no. That's lovely. Nothing wrong with that. That's an excellent manual. Very nice. And... yeah, I was going to say, there's nothing else in there. Yes, there is. There better be. This is the charger, right? So you got your USB-A right there to this magnetic 4-pin. That's right there. Okay. Cable-wise is good. It's a decent length, which is nice. And then this, and maybe the Alchemist 3, maybe this changes sizes, right? This just kind of, I guess that makes sense, right? Maybe this changes sizes because it does have to fit around like your ears. So I got the large, and that's gonna fit there really well, I think. You can kind of tell where the speakers are, the air conduction, I guess that is. Maybe these are the mics. And then as far as I can tell, these are going to be your sizes. I wish they would have did something just to label them there. I'm going in the middle. I think I'm going to go middle. And these, as far as I can tell, would mount probably very similar to like almost like Apple, like an Apple Watch strap, right? My guess is that it just kind of, you put that there and you slide that on. That's it. Now, was there plastic on here? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, there's some plastic on there which you can take off. I probably should have done that first. So there is plastic on here. Make sure that comes off, and then this, I'm guessing, can only kind of go in one way. Now, easiest way to tell is the S and O, and that should all be the same upright. That goes in much nicer when the plastic's off. So make sure, because it's hard to tell that there's plastic on there, but. Yep, you don't want the plastic on there, right? Because that screws everything up. Okay, plastic comes off. That slides in really nice once the plastic's off, and you get a little click. Ready? All right, let's see. Yep, I think. Did I put that on right? I did. Okay, and there's, just so you guys know, there's your charger. So this, right? Just. Boom. That'll get charging, I guess. And nothing says stylish like this. Yes? Yes? Right? Now, comfy, for sure. Nothing wrong with that. And you can tell, right? There's the buttons up at the top here. Where am I? Right? The plus and minus. And I guess that's a button as well. And as far as I can tell, there's a button on each side, and then just the volume is up there. Okay. All right. I'm down. I'm with you. And again, these are about as stylish as you can get, I think. Yes? Yes? Okay, so we're here, and as far as I know, we're just going to push one of these buttons. Does it matter? Hi. There it is. Okay, connected? Connected! And you'll see, boom, right? My volumes, everything's working there. Excellent. And it does beep when you hit like maximum. Okay. They are comfy though. Hex yeah. They're comfy. Okay, so let's go into some music. And I'm going to go into the lovely search here. We'll do my blinding lights. I have a feeling though on something like this, because they're like they say air, that it's going to have a fair bit of sound leak, right? So they're not bassy at all. So I'm trying to figure out, because like they don't have like much bass at all, right? And it's not as if you can position them in your ears any better or worse or anything like that. It's just what it is. What does the reviews say here? Now I get that they would be yeah, see, they say good headphones if you need complete situational awareness. So you need to be able to hear and do everything. Yeah, 100%, because you can hear everything, right? And you're getting sound coming out of these speakers, as far as I can tell, that just blows down so you hear it. It's be like somebody whispering in your ear, right? Headphones that stay in place no matter what. Yes, I would agree. Comes with 3 different lengths to choose from. Clear sounding, and they are clear sounding, but they are, in my opinion, for me, really, just because of what they are, because they don't go in your ears. Sound that goes in your ears, and you know, to get really good low ends or bass, you have to have that seal, right? So that the low end can kind of stay in there. And if you have like even earbuds that go in your ears that don't fit right, you have a tendency to lose that bass. Because these are out here, there's no seal, there's no nothing. Like it's almost like bass is non-existent, right? So you're just like, You know, yeah, you can hear the music, but it's not going to be anything like having actual headphones or earbuds or anything like that, where you can get that nice sound. Um, so I think if you are someone that really, well, you like the sweatband, that's cool, right? And you don't like something in your ears, and you really want to have that awareness of what's going on, and you aren't a purist or someone that really likes like the audio quality to be, I don't even want to say high end. I like this is like low to mid range for sound quality, because we have lost pretty much all the bass is gone, right? But if you just want something to have on while you're doing something, then sure, I guess it would be fine, right? I can come in here and I'll go to good old Rob Zombie, right? Because his stuff is always entertaining, you know? And it's weird because, if you crank them up, they are loud, but because they're just like so much just like treble, right? It's I don't know if you want them that loud, So, and there's no real like, oh, I'll place them here or there and it'll sound better. No, not really. It's just it is what it is, right? So I like the concept, but I think it's for a very, very specific demographic. Um, would I use them all the time? No, I don't. I don't run or anything like that, so I don't get into scenarios where sweats becomes an issue. Um, I still think, because I have no issues wearing earbuds, that something that has a good like ambient or transparency mode for me to get that awareness, situational awareness of what's going on is fine, and I get the benefits of having better sound. I definitely pay a lot more for the most part. Actually, maybe not that much more. So you gotta want this style, right? And sound qualities, just it can't be what you're going for. If that makes sense. So let's just try to see if this will come up for microphone. I'm curious. And we can just do a mic test as well. So we'll come in here and we will do our audio, and you can guys see it. It's a Sportset right there, and we will do a recording. All right, ready? And again, the nice thing is that if you do get them, you are beyond stylish. I would think that if you're walking around the airport, right? You're doing whatever. People are just gonna walk by you and look, and that look is envy. 100%. It's all envy, not looking at you because you look funny, right? Envy. All right, guys, you've had a chance to listen to the sound from the microphone from here. I'm curious because I'm pretty sure the microphones are at the bottom as well, right beside the speakers, so it's probably picking up in that area. But we'll see. So I like the concept. And for someone that is like really like a sports person, and you don't want to be sweaty, and you don't want it, probably it's not a bad idea. It's not a horrible set, right? Because you do get that kind of nice band, and you can have it set, and it's not coming off, right? You could probably run through a tornado with these on and be fine. But sound quality it's not great. I'll just say it flat out. Microphone, I don't know. You guys have heard it. You can make the decision, because I'll put that sound up there untouched. It is what it is. So yeah, very, very specific target audience, I would say, out of these for sure. And you have to remember, because it's unlike earbuds or whatever that you take off, put them in the case, and usually they turn off. These, you have to remember to hold this button down and wait, power off, right? Because if you don't, then it's going to be just running forever, and you'll come back to dead. I don't even know what you call these headphones, sound band. I don't know. And then yes, it's only 5 minutes to charge, but you better be carrying this here cable with you, because if not, it's not a like a cable that just anybody has, right? It's proprietary. So now you have to carry that with you. I would have liked them, or I would have liked to have seen them come with a little pouch as well. Just a little pouch, something that you can carry all this in. That would be nice. But yeah, that's it. All right, guys, that's the sports wearable audio device Sportset, I believe they call it. Yeah, it's a thing. All right, guys, I'll leave links down below to where you can pick this up, and that's it for me today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and see you guys tomorrow. Later.